may samot iti gandat meditakit nga kasla i-synchronize me dato'y national programs nga dagito'y daddo mga programa ti bawat region or entire Luzon will be supporting that. So, dagito'y asikaswan tayo dito na it will not only benefit one region or one province, but it will benefit several provinces or several regions for that. So, I do not take it nga kasla additional burden or what. Of course, there is an extra work that will be done. Magsaya at may coordinate tayo, may align tayo. Dagito'y apo na dumaduma mga projects which we feel will affect nationally or at least within the region or the Luzon area.